Hey loves, welcome to Vlogmas the 6th. Today we are diving into all the Christmas vibes. I'm taking you along for some festive shopping, picking up holiday decor, and grabbing a few cute winter pieces. It's going to be such a cozy, fun day. So let's get started. I came to this store to check out some few items for the Christmas decor. I saw some beautiful things that I would love to get. I think I will be coming back to the store again. So I saw this bow tie, so beautiful. I saw different shape and different amount they put there. So I also saw some Christmas tree. So I am thinking of changing my Christmas tree. So I'm not certain yet. So these are the Christmas ball. I will be coming back to get it. Then these are the Christmas light. I'll also be coming for that. Then I already have this one, so I won't be getting that at all. So guys, just watch this video and leave your comment in the comment section, the best part you like about today's video. If you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So I got this tablecloth, round tablecloth. I will be needing it. So I got this particular one because it has some drawing of Christmas on it, some print of Christmas on it. So I collected this one. Then I went to the section of the curtain. I want to also change my curtain as well. I was looking for something cool, maybe something like white, something beautiful. So that's what I'm looking for. I'll be coming back. So I picked up this trail for pizza. So these are the two items I got from the first market we went to. So we came to this store, this baby store. If you're familiar with Bimbo store, most of you that lives in Italy. So my husband and I and the children, we came to just come and check out some things for the kids. So we started shopping for them. So I was also looking for winter jacket for my second child, my second son. So I saw this, I've been looking for that. Then this is the jacket. So I was looking for various jacket, but I could not find anyone. So I have to wait and maybe go to another store to go and look for another jacket. So we just pick up some few things for them. We collected some trousers for the first child. This is my husband helping me out to sort some things. Then at the end of everything, we came to the food section. We picked one or two things from the food section. So after everything, after picking up all that we wanted, so this is the cashier now paying for all that we bought. We bought some biscuits as well. So this is when we came home. These are all the items that we got from the supermarket. So guys, if you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. What is your favorite part of this vlogmas day 6? Please just accept it as it is. So guys, thank you so much for watching so far. See you in my next video, and bye.